Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by treating log x as ln x. That choice matters because base changes the constant factor. Rewrite log x explicitly if needed, ln x or log a x. Once done, recall the inverse relationship. If y equals ln x, then x equals ey. Differentiate implicitly. Start differentiating x equals ey with respect to x, because that gives you dx efficiently. Make sure x 0 so the log is defined. This assumption keeps subsequent algebra valid. You now take the derivative of both sides. d/dx of x equals d/dx of ey, treating y as a function of x. That gives 1 equals ey times di/dx by the chain rule, so isolate di/dx by dividing both sides by ey. Next, substitute the original relation y equals ln x back into the expression. Because ey equals x, this substitution simplifies the quotient. This step converts the derivative from a y expression into a direct function. You finish by writing the derivative succinctly. di/dx equals 1/x, valid for x greater than 0. If the original log had base a, make sure to convert. Log a x equals ln x divided by ln a, giving 1/x ln a. Once done, verify steps by differentiating numerically at a sample x value or by checking the inverse relationship again. If results look wrong, confirm you assumed x 0 and that you substituted ey equals x correctly when solving for di/dx.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.